The left 3V cell drives the wire, Q is the high potential end, P is 0. A second 3V cell on the right has its positive terminal toward P, so it adds to the tapped voltage. The voltmeter measures between the wiper and the right cell. Along the track, VQ is plus 3 volts and VP is 0. An ideal voltmeter takes no current from its branch, so we can use pure potential differences and Kirchhoff's voltage law. The reading equals the wiper potential minus VP, plus 3 volts from the right cell, because its positive faces P and adds. With the slider at P, the wiper is at 0 volts relative to P. The meter reads 0 plus 3 volts. At Q the wiper is at 3 volts above P. The meter reads 3 plus 3, 6 volts. So the readings are 3 volts at P and 6 volts at Q. Option D is correct.